Turn your hobby into income. Earn $1,000 plus per month with coloring books easy and free. Anyone can make $1,000 plus per mo with a coloring book. But most people don't know how. Here's the free and easy way to do it. Step 1. Generate coloring book ideas. Open http://chat.openai.com on browser. Start a new chat and type in the below prompt. Prompt: generate some unique coloring book niche ideas relating to animals. Step 2. Generate coloring page prompts. I liked the animals in traditional were niche. Prompts: give me 15 coloring page ideas related to number 4. Step 3. Generate coloring pages. You can also use free http://bing.chat.com. Below I have created an image with these prompts and added them at the end of every above generated idea. Clean line art, coloring book page, white background, 2D. Step 4. Design your book cover. Take any of the generated images. Extend them with color. Boom, you're done.